The Go Focus Plus is the latest camera released by Geotab today. So the first thing it's going to do is we're going to easily identify the risky patterns and behaviors that our drivers are having on the road. We're going to identify those repeat offenders. We're going to start to build out a profile for your fleet. Then we're going to bring to the surface those risky behaviors in those drivers, and we're going to bring those up and make them very easy for you to find as a fleet manager or a safety manager. Then we're going to improve their performance with the in-cab coaching, real-time coaching through audio in the cabin, giving them verbal alerts. We're not just going to tell them that they're doing something wrong, but we're actually going to tell them what they can do. Your drivers will hear things like eyes on the road, put your phone down, tailgating. They're going to know exactly what it is that they could do to improve performance. Then we're going to track the impact of this coaching. We're going to see how it is improving over time through our coaching module and how the trends are improving, or when we need to make adjustments and change our coaching philosophies. Then, by incorporating the full context of the telematics with the video, putting those two together, we're going to have the full context of every event. We're going to understand the risk based off of the driver's actions, from the road conditions, the reaction time of the driver, and all of the surrounding factors and external factors. We're going to see all of that in plain view, and we're going to be able to then give expert coaching sessions. Our managers are going to be able to tell the drivers specifically things that they can do to improve their performance or find areas for improvement to increase their safety on the road.